Yes, now after your Kapalabhati, come up, rise up. Let's get ready for Surya Namaskar. Up. Come to the front of your mat. Both hands in Namaskara Mudra. Gently close your eyes. And let's chant Om 3 times together. Together. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam mukam tattvam bhushanna pavrunu satya dharmaya drishtaye. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently open your eyes. 1. Backward bending. 2. Forward bending. Hands by the side of your legs. You may bend your knee to reach the floor. 3. Right foot at the back. Take a long step at the back. Take a long step at the back. Look straight. 4. Other leg at the back. Body like a plank. Not too high, not too low. Yeah. 5. Sit on your heels. Shashankasana. 6. Come up, Sashtanga Namaskar. Forehead on the floor. Hip up. 7. Bhujangasana. Yes, stretch your hands completely. Smiling cobras. Smile. 8. Hip up. Parvatasana. Body like a mountain. Do not move your hands and legs. 9. Shashankasana. Relax completely being in this pose. 10. Come up, right foot forward in between your hands. Yeah, your leg is perpendicular to the floor. 11. Other leg forward. 12. Up. 1. Backward bending. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1. Stay there. Look up. You may open your mouth and breathe out. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Two. Let loose your hands. Yeah, like an elephant's trunk. Gently turn to your right and to your left. And breathe out through the mouth. 3. Right foot at the back. Take a long step at the back. Look straight. And with a smile. 4. Other leg at the back. Yes, body like a plank. Yeah, look straight. 5. Sit on your heels. Relax completely in Shashankasana. 6. Come up, Sashtanga Namaskar, Ashta Anga Namaskara. Forehead on the floor and hip up. 7. Bhujangasana, up. Yes. 8. Parvatasana. Yes, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 2 minutes of being in this pose is equivalent to walking of 2 miles. 9. Shashankasana. 10. Come up, right foot forward, in between your hands. Yeah, make sure your leg is perpendicular. 11. Other leg. Yes, relax completely, stretch your legs. Yeah, gently move like an elephant's trunk to your right and left. Breathe out through your mouth if need be. 12 up. Yes. Walk around. Relax. Relax. You did 7 Surya Namaskars. Don't stamp on others' mat when you walk around. Yes, come back. Come back to your mat. So, few standing asanas. Yeah. We begin with Ardhakati Chakrasana. Stand straight, legs 4 inches apart, hands by the side. Yeah. Push your chest forward and your shoulders at the back. Yeah. Right hand out, turn the palm up close to your ears. Up, left down, right up, reach the sky. Up and turn to your left. Yes. And in Ujjayi breath, look straight with a smile. 5 Ujjayi breaths. Yes, come back slowly. Stretch your hand out, turn the palm, bring it down. Now complement to your left. Left out, out. Turn the palm up, right down, left up, and turn to your right. Yes. See to that your leg is straight, not bent at knee. Come back slowly. Hands out, turn the palm, bring it down. Yeah, now Trikonasana. 2 feet apart on your legs. Stretch your hands out, outstretch. Yes. Turn to your right. Yeah, right hand goes to close to your right knee. Your left hand goes up and thumb out. Turn your face, twist your face nicely. Keep looking at the thumb with a smile. In 5 Ujjayi breaths. Imagine you are leaning against a wall. Push back. Don't come forward. Slide down. Go down. Utthita Trikonasana. Go down. Yeah, maintain the hand up 90 degrees. Cross Parivrita Trikonasana. Turn your chest nicely. Twist your chest so that you can comfortably turn from the bottom of your hip. Come up slowly. Now let's complement to the other side. Turn to your left. Right hand goes up. Yes. Turn your face comfortably and look at the right thumbnail. That's an exercise for eyes and neck happening. Go down. Utthita Trikonasana. Yeah, your hands remain 90 degrees up. Cross. Yes, give a twist from the bottom of your hip. Turn your chest. Yeah, you can comfortably turn and remain in the pose. Come up slowly. Yes, bring your legs together. Yeah. We shall do Vrikshasana, balancing asana. Yeah? Yeah. Take your right leg up and place it near your left upper thigh. Hands out, up in Namaskara Mudra. And stay there. Fix your gaze at one point in front of you. Yeah. And in Ujjayi breath. Excellent. Come back slowly. Now let's complement to the left leg similarly. Left leg up and place it near your upper right thigh, inside. Yes. Tree pose. Come back slowly and relax. Lie down in Shavasana. Relax completely. Make sure there's no catch, pull, push anywhere. Yes. Bring your legs together. Bring your hands by the side of your body. Take your right hand up above your head on the floor. Turn to your right side. Get up and sit.